dugsiga boardingka iyo maalinlaha ah ee Amano Boarding and Day School.
Good morning, children. Grade 3s, welcome again to our social study. For today, we are going to learn about weather and season in the district. And our subtopic for today is elements of weather. Today we want to learn about the elements of weather. And what is weather, class, children? What is weather? And we say weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place over a short period of time. The condition of the atmosphere in a given place within a short period of time. Now, we know that in a day, sometimes it can be hot or it can be cold. It can also be wet or it can be dry. That's the weather. Then the weather keeps on changing for every time. Today you find it sunny, tomorrow you find it windy. The other day you come and maybe tomorrow you wake up and you find it's cloudy. So the weather keeps on changing. Now, as the weather changes, there are activities that changes. There are clothes. It also affects us, the way we dress, the activities that we take. So today we want to learn about the elements of weather, and today we are going to look at the first element of weather. We are going to look at is sunshine. The sunshine, you can see that I can see the sun there. It's about to be bright. I think it's summer morning. Then we say the sunshine is the light and the heat from the sun. The light and the heat from the sun is what we call the sunshine. Then in the morning when you wake up, you find that early in the morning before you wake up, you find that there is no sun. When there is no sun, you find the day, that time it is cold. Why? Because the sun is not yet there. But now as you stay and as the hours move, now it's in the afternoon. Now when the sun is up there, you find that it's bright. In the morning somehow it's not that bright, but now you find in the afternoon it's bright and it's hot. Why? Because the sun is already out. So we say in the morning before sun rises, the day is cold. Then that's the time when it's cold, what do? We wear the warm clothes to keep us warm. When in the afternoon, when the sun is hot, when the sun now it's out, you find that now that time it's very hot. Then that time is when you find that it's hot and it's bright. So we just sit outside, maybe under the trees. It's that time when you start getting thirsty and you want to drink water. Also, during that time we wear light clothes. Maybe in the morning you had heavy clothes. Now it's afternoon, you find that you're removing sweaters. Why? Because now it's hot. So that is sunshine. That's the first element of weather. Number 2, we have clouds. Number 2, we have clouds. And what are clouds? Clouds are masses of water or ice in the air. Clouds are masses of water or ice in the air. Then clouds have a lot of water which falls as rain. When this water in the clouds now it condenses or it's eaten out, it falls as rain. So when water rises to the sky, it forms clouds. You know that when there are dark clouds in the sky, now when the clouds are starting forming up there, the dark ones, you know that the weather it's about to rain. So we say that dark clouds brings about the rain. Then many clouds in the sky make the day cloud. Now when there are clouds up there, there is no sun, so the day becomes cold. Because there's nothing to eat us. There's nothing we can't feel that heat from the sun. So the day becomes cold. And then what do? The children now they put on heavy clothes to protect themselves. Number 3, we have rain. And we know rain Rain is water that falls now from the sky, the water droplets from the sky. That's the day now when it's raining. That's the day you find that you are carrying umbrella, you have gumboots, you are wearing the rainy coat. Why? Because to protect yourself from this water which is coming up from the sky. So during the rainy day, we wear heavy clothes. Rainy days, you find that the farmers now, that's the time for the farmers now, they grow their crops. You find them they are very busy in their gardens, maybe planting something, because there is rain, and the rain, because there is water, their crops will grow. So the rain it's too much rain causes flood. When it rains heavily, you find that now it becomes floods. There is water all over. The cars can't move. The floods now start destroying the crops. The flood now starts destroying the houses and killing animals. So when it rains a lot, it's when we get the flood. Then we have wind. And as you know, children, wind is the moving air. Now, children, be very careful. Don't confuse elements of weather with symbols of weather. The element of weather here we have it's wind. The element of weather here we have it's rain, not rainy. So, wind is the element of weather, but windy is the symbol of weather. So wind, we have wind as element of weather, and you say wind is a moving air, and wind is caused by difference in the atmospheric pressure. Now when there is a lot of pressure in the atmosphere, now that's when now the wind now starts to see that there is wind, because now there is a lot of pressure. So wind is caused by difference in the atmospheric pressure. Then strong wind can blow away roofs of the houses. When there's a lot of wind, you find that the roofs maybe they might be blown away. You find that the trees are falling down. Why? Because the wind is so strong. So the trees can fall. The leaves in the trees are coming down. Maybe you kept there's something outside and you have not kept it well. You go in the house, you come outside, you find that the wind has blown it away. Why? Because the wind is very strong. So strong wind can blow away roofs of houses, tree fall. Then windy day, when there is wind, is the best day for the children to play with the kites. So today we were doing about the elements of weather, and today we have talked about the sunshine, we have talked about the clouds, rain, we have talked about wind, and I've said we have symbols of weather and we have elements of weather. Symbols of weather. We have windy. We have rainy. We have cloudy. These are symbols of weather. But now when you talk about the element of weather, we have wind, we have rain, we have cloud. Don't confuse these when you are told to talk about the elements of weather or the symbols of weather. Remember that the symbols of weather, they have, it's windy, we have Y at the end, but for the element of weather we only have wind. There is not that Y at the end. For the symbol we have rainy, element we have rain. Symbol of weather we have cloudy, then the element we have clouds. So be careful, don't get confused with the symbols of weather and the elements of weather. That's the end of our lesson. Until next time, bye bye.